In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Reels algorithm in Instagram. So the first thing that you'll need to do, simply go and open your Instagram if you have it. And here's an example, let's say you're getting annoyed by the Reels that you're getting recently. So how can you reset them? To reset those Reels, as example, you'll need to go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, we will need you to go to your settings. And once you do so, I will need you to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Once you go and do so, you should find yourself here. So what can you do is basically scroll down a little bit, and here you should of course just keep scrolling down. You should find yourself with, where is it? Just go and find it. So keep scrolling. Yeah, here's this, I find it. So what you see. So content preferences. What you'll need to do, simply go and click on that, and here you'll find reset the suggested content. Go and click on that, and as you can see, once a fresh start, you will see suggested about topics that may be different from what you usually see. Resets can be undone, but your suggestions will become more personalized against your like, share, as you like, of course, share and interact. Resetting won't change who you follow or who you add topics. You can choose to update those, and this won't delete your data, will still use it to personalize your experience in other ways and for the purpose explained in their privacy policy. So click on next, reset suggested content, click in here, and it should be resetted. Now, if you go to your reels, you may find, of course, the previous reel still there. Yeah, so you'll need, of course, to basically refresh, or you can just go, as an example, quit your Instagram, then simply just delete it and simply just go back into it, and you should find a completely new reels. As an example here, we're going to reels, and as you can see, new reels. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.